Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so we've been drawing this box, kind of a zone. We've been to the top of the box. We were back at the bottom of the box. Was that on Tuesday, Wednesday? On Friday, they broke out above, and they're trying to follow through here. You've got the 100-day exponential. We're above the 50-day, and really the next area to be tested are these highs up here, 45, 85, 83 to 85 area from back February 9, February 10. And that matches up a little bit with, you got the 86 high here. So right at the beginning, first 10 days of February, 45, 83 to 86 was tested a few times. Now that we've kind of broken above, if you get another higher high, it certainly opens up a move to 4,500. As just a test of the roundy. But these other areas are really what is next unless the bears can come in and lean in and do something about it. So what do you want to do if you're the bears? Well, hourly chart, you got to break this cycle of this grind. And, you put in a higher low here versus 4101 back on Tuesday. And the bulls really haven't looked back since. So you've got the hourly mid-band coming in at 42 and change. Your new weekly pivot is 100 handles below, actually more, down at 43, 53, 52. So over the course of the next 4 to 5 days, if you're the bears, what you really want to do is, can we get enough news flow? Can we get enough gloom or whatever it is to close below the weekly pivot and then the monthly pivot 43, 45? So the bears really are up against it now. The short-term numbers today, you've got volume-weighted average price, 46.5, hourly mid-bands at 42 and change, our proprietary moving average is at 48 and change. You got the 5-minute coming in right now at about 44.50. So 42 to 50 off the open is going to be a big deal. But, 65.75 is your high of the moment. And unless you get something from the news flow that is going to dig into this tape and, make people take profits, make people shift positions, make people concerned, I don't think your generic, there's a war on and gas is too high. And, it's just like everything else. The tape gets immune to this stuff. It absorbs it. It deals with it. Yeah, we raise rates. Yeah, they're going to do it again. It starts to absorb this stuff. So in a vacuum, it clearly wants to go higher. If the bears are going to knock it down, they're going to need a catalyst to do it. And whether they've been successful or not is going to have a whole heck of a lot to do with where we close on Friday relative to weekly pivot, relative to monthly pivot. And you still got that pre-FOMC price down there at 43.07.5. That's locked up with the 9-day. And this little green line, the dash green line here, you got the 9-day here and the 20-day simple off of the daily. Or the daily Bollinger Band. It's not blue sky. It's a grind. People do hate this rally. They'll continue to hate this rally, but every rally is hated. This one, though, the bear case is always a hell of a lot more logical. And you have to keep that in mind. As far as trading it goes, all we've been doing is we've been getting very opportunistic. We've been taking our profits where we find them. We've been taking risk off. And when we get a runner that works, we've really just been locking in and letting it go. We're not trading a ton. We're doing, last week's logs. I mean, we didn't trade a ton. Talking about 8 to 10 trades a day. Wednesday had the most handles to offer. But these are days where every day is meeting a weekly goal. I mean, the volatility is still there. There's a ton of handles out there. The only thing you can really do to chew yourself up or to really do a lot of damage to yourself in this market is say, all right, damn it, today's the day we go down. Oh, really? Nobody else got that memo. Or when they do reverse it, say, you know what, no way. No way, I want this dip, and I want this dip, and I want this dip and this dip. And I want that dip over here. And damn it, I'm right. Don't dig in ideologically. Don't. Do not be an ideologue. Not in this tape. It will steal your lunch. It will steal your lunch. Take your profits. Understand if something is not working, the other direction is working. because it's volatile. Now, is volatility going to stick around forever? No. But I'm not expecting it to walk away and leave, maybe in fits and starts. I don't think this week will be as volatile as last week. Just like last week, I don't think was as volatile as the week before. And that's because the tape starts to get itself immune to this kind of news. That's how it goes. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.